Hi friends, this is Miss C, and it is time to learn. If you are ready to learn, I want you to shout, "It's learning time." We are going to do a word workout during our lesson today.
Materials.
You will need a thinking cap for our lesson. Ready? We have 2 learning targets for today. Please follow along with me as I read. The first learning target says, I can read and spell words with consonant LE syllables. Our second learning target is, I can use my knowledge of sounds and syllables to read and spell words.
Transition song.
Do you know the words will write? The words will write. The words will write. Do you know the words will write when sorting today?
Word work.
We have been working with words that have a consonant LE syllable. We know that all consonant LE syllables have the O sound at the end, but we can sort them by the sound that comes right before the O sound. Here are 4 common consonant LE sounds. We have full, pull, bull, and dull. Let's read and sort some words together. Can you read this word? The word is cradle. Which column do you think cradle belongs in? We heard dull at the end, which is spelled D-L-E. Our next word is able. Which column do you think able belongs in? We heard bull at the end of able, spelled B-L-E. What does our next word say? Stifle. Which column do you think stifle belongs in? We heard full, which is spelled F-L-E. Let's try another. What does this word say? Staple. Which column do you think staple belongs in? We heard pull, which is spelled P-L-E. How do you pronounce this word? Noble. Which column do you think noble belongs in? We heard bull at the end, spelled B-L-E. Only a few more left. How do you pronounce this word? Doodle. Which column do you think doodle belongs in? We heard dull, spelled D-L-E. What does this next word say? People. Which column do you think the word people belongs in? We heard pull, spelled P-L-E. Here's our last one. How do you pronounce this word? Trifle. Which column do you think the word trifle belongs in? We heard full, spelled F-L-E. If you were able to complete this activity and you worked hard, I want you to give yourself a round of applause. Now, let's look at some more words with consonant LE syllables and put them on stars. Can you read this word? This word is circle. Which star do you think the word circle belongs on? We hear coal spelled C-L-E. What is our next word? Beagle. Which star do you think the word beagle belongs on? We hear gull at the end, spelled G-L-E. How do you pronounce this word? Eagle. Which star do you think the word eagle belongs on? We heard gull spelled G-L-E. What word is this? Uncle. Which star do you think the word uncle belongs on? We heard coal spelled C-L-E. Nice work, friends. I am very proud of you. Let's do one last activity today. We will look at more consonant LE words to figure out where to divide them into their 2 syllables to help us read them. So go ahead and put your syllable sleuth hat on. It's time to be a detective. Let's look at this first word. How do you pronounce this word? Feeble. Go ahead and clap out the word feeble. Feeble. Let's find the vowels. How many vowels do we have in feeble? Yes, we see 3 vowels, and we have a vowel team in our first syllable. Since we have a vowel team in our first syllable, we can divide the line between the vowel team and then our consonant LE ending. Our first syllable would say fee, and our second consonant LE syllable would say bull. What is the entire word again? Feeble. Let's try another one. How do you pronounce this word? Mumble. Go ahead and clap out the word mumble. Mumble. All right, now we have to look for the vowels. We see a couple of vowels in mumble. When we are looking at that first syllable, wow, we have 2 consonants in between our first syllable and our consonant LE ending. So we know we can divide the line in between those 2 consonants. Our first syllable will say mum, which is a closed syllable. And our second syllable will say bull. What is the entire word? Mumble. Here is our last word. How do we pronounce this word? Fable. Go ahead and clap out the word fable. Fable. Our next step is to look for the vowels. When we look at that first syllable, we hear a long A. So we know it is an open syllable. So we can put the line in between our first syllable, which is open, and the consonant LE ending. For our first syllable, we have fay, and our second syllable, we would say bull. So what would the entire word be? Fable. Awesome work, syllable sleuths.
Closing reflection.
How can you ask for help so you can grow and flourish as a reader and writer? Try to find more consonant LE words and listen for which sounds they say. Keep practicing and working hard, and I can't wait to see you next time.